Hello students, I am Ankit Kumar and I am here to take class of economics for 12th standard. In last video we have studied about national income and related aggregates. In this video we will solve numerical examples of conversion of these aggregates. Let's start. Question number 1. Suppose the gross domestic product at market price of India in 2005-06 was rupee 75,000 crores and net factory income from abroad was minus 250 crores. Calculate GNP at market price. In this question we have to calculate GNP at market price. So we write it in left hand side. Now we will create an equation. One aggregate will be given in these type of questions. In this question, GDP at market price is given. We will put equal symbol and then write GDP at market price. Now we will add or subtract the adjustments. To convert domestic into national, we will add NFIA. GDP at market price is 75,000 crores plus NFIA, that is minus 250 crores, is equal to 75,000 crores minus 250 crores is equal to 74,750 crores. Question number 2. Determine GNP at market price from the following data. One side items, another side rupees in crores. Net domestic product at factor cost 1,50,000 crore, indirect taxes 1,000 crore, economic subsidies 200 crores, depreciation 50 crores, net factor income from abroad 50 crores. In this question we have to calculate GNP at market price. Write GNP at market price in left hand side. NDP at factor cost is given. Put equal symbol and write NDP at factor cost. Now add adjustments. Plus CFC to convert net into gross, plus NFIA to convert domestic into national, plus NIT to convert factor cost into market price. In this question, CFC and NFIA is given, but NIT is not given directly. So first we will calculate NIT. Net indirect taxes is equal to indirect taxes minus subsidies. That is 1000 crores minus 200 crores equal to 800 crores. Now we will calculate GNP at market price. GNP at market price equal 1,50,000 crores, that is NDP at factor cost, plus 50 crores, that is CFC, plus 50 crores, that is NFIA, plus 800 crores, that is NIT. Now GNP at market price is 1,50,900 crores. Question number 3. GNP at market price of an economy is rupee 1,20,000 crores and its capital stock is worth rupee 3 lakh crores. If capital stock depreciates at 20% per annum, indirect taxes amount to rupee 30,000 crores and subsidies are put at rupee 15,000 crores. What is national income? In this question, we have to calculate national income. NNP at factor cost is known as national income. Write NNP at factor cost in left hand side. Find an aggregate which is given to create an equation. Here GNP at market price is given. So put the equal symbol and write GNP at market price. Minus depreciation to convert gross into net. Minus NIT to convert market price into factor cost. Here depreciation and NIT is not given directly. So first we calculate depreciation and NIT. Depreciation is equal to 20% of capital stock is equal 20 divided by 100 into 3 lakh crore, that is capital stock. Now value of depreciation is 60,000 crores. Now calculate the NIT. Net indirect taxes is equal to indirect taxes minus subsidies, that is 30,000 crores minus 15,000 crores is equal to 15,000 crores. Net national product at factor cost is equal to 1,20,000 crore, that is GNP at market price, minus 60,000 crores, that is depreciation or CFC, minus 15,000 crores, that is NIT, is equal to 1,20,000 crores minus 75,000 crores equal to 45,000 crores. Question number 4. From the information given below, calculate national income. One side items, another side rupees in crores. Gross domestic product at market price 500 crores, depreciation 40 crores, net factory income from abroad minus 20 crores, subsidies 50 crores, indirect taxes 75 crores. In this question, gross domestic product at market price is given and we have to calculate the national income, that is NNP at factor cost. Write NNP at factor cost at left hand side, put equal symbol and write GDP at market price, minus depreciation to convert gross into net, plus NFIA to convert domestic into national, minus NIT to convert market price into factor cost. Here NIT is not given directly, so we will calculate NIT. Net indirect taxes is equal indirect taxes minus subsidies, that is 75 crores minus 50 crores is equal to 25 crores. NNP at factor cost equal GDP at market price, that is 500 crores minus CFC, that is 40 crores, plus NFIA, that is minus 20 crores, minus NIT, that is 25 crores, equal to 500 crores minus 85 crores equal to 415 crores. Question number 5. From the following data given below, calculate NNP at market price. One side items, another side rupees in crores. Domestic income 3,500 crores, excise duty 200 crores, consumption of fixed capital 400 crores, subsidies 100 crores. Net factory income from abroad minus 100 crores. Domestic income is given and we have to calculate the NNP at market price. NDP at factor cost is known as domestic income. Write NNP at market price at left hand side, put equal symbol and write NDP at factor cost, plus NFIA to convert domestic into national, plus NIT to convert factor cost into market price. Here NIT is not given directly, so first calculate NIT. Net indirect taxes is equal to indirect taxes minus subsidies, that is 200 crores minus 100 crores is equal to 100 crores. NNP at market price equal NDP at factor cost, that is 3,500 crores, plus NFIA, that is minus 100 crores, plus NIT, that is 100 crores is equal to 3,500 crores. Question number 6. The domestic product at market price of an economy is rupee 5,000 crores. The capital stock is worth rupee 4,000 crores and it depreciates at the rate of 10% annum. Indirect taxes amount to rupee 100 crores, subsidies amount to rupee 30 crores, factory income from the rest of world is rupee 200 crore and to rest of world is rupee 100 crore. Find out the gross national product at factor cost. In this question, NDP at market price is given and we have to calculate GNP at factor cost. Write GNP at factor cost at left hand side, then put equal symbol and write NDP at market price, plus depreciation to convert net into gross, plus NFIA to convert domestic into national, minus NIT to convert market price into factor cost. Here depreciation, NFIA and NIT is not given directly. So first we will calculate these items. Depreciation is 10% of capital stock equal to 10 divided by 100 into 4,000 crores. That is capital stock equal to 400 crores. Net factory income from abroad is equal factory income from abroad minus factory income to abroad. That is 200 crores minus 100 crores is equal to 100 crores. Net indirect taxes is equal indirect taxes minus subsidies. That is 100 crores minus 30 crores equal to 70 crores. Now GNP at factor cost is equal to NDP at market price, that is 5000 crore, plus depreciation, that is 400 crores, plus NFIA, that is 100 crores, minus NIT, that is 70 crores, equal to 5500 crores minus 70 crores equal to 5430 crores. Question number 7. From the information given below, calculate GDP at market price and NNP at factor cost. One side particulars, another side rupees in crores. NDP at market price 74,905 crore, net indirect taxes 8,344 crore, income from domestic product accruing from abroad 1,972 crores, current transfer from abroad 2,305 crore, depreciation 4,486 crores, net factor income from abroad minus 232 crores. In this question, NDP at market price is given and we have to find GDP at market price and NNP at factor cost. First, we convert NDP at market price into GDP at market price. Write GDP at market price in left hand side, then put equal symbol and write NDP at market price plus depreciation to convert net into gross, that is 74,905 crores plus 4,486 crores equal to 79,391 crores. Now we will calculate NNP at factor cost. NNP at factor cost equal NDP at market price plus NFIA to convert domestic into national minus NIT to convert market price into factor cost, that is 74,905 crores plus minus 232 crores minus 8,344 crores is equal 74,905 crores minus 8,576 crores, that is 66,329 crores. Question number 8. In a particular year, a businessman gets rupee 8,000 by selling his products. The depreciation value of his equipments is rupee 500. Out of the remaining 7,500 rupees, he pays a sales tax of rupee 800 on buying of new equipment, and finally he pays 10% of his income as income tax. On the basis of the above information, calculate his contribution to the following measures of national income. First, GDP at market price. Second, NNP at market price. Third, NNP at factor cost. In this question, we have to find the contribution of businessman in GDP at market price, NNP at market price and NNP at factor cost. Businessman gets rupee 8,000 by selling his production. This is domestic product which doesn't exclude depreciation value, so it is the gross domestic product. Here we are talking about selling price, so it is market value. So his contribution in GDP at market price is rupee 8,000. Now we will calculate his contribution in NNP at market price. NNP at market price is equal to GDP at market price minus depreciation plus net factor income from abroad. In this example, he is not working outside the domestic territory, so NFIA is 0, equal to 8,000 minus 500 plus 0, that is 7,500. Now we will calculate his contribution in NNP at factor cost. NNP at factor cost is equal to NNP at market price minus NIT. Here NIT is not given directly, so we should calculate NIT first. Net indirect taxes is equal to indirect taxes minus subsidies. Here subsidies are not given, that means value of subsidies is 0, equal to 800 minus 0 equal to 800. NNP at factor cost is equal NNP at market price, that is 7,500 minus NIT, that is 800, equal to 6,700. Question number 9. Suppose in an imaginary economy, GDP at market price in a particular fiscal year was rupee 4,000 crores, national income was rupee 2,500 crores, net factory income paid by the economy to the rest of world was rupee 400 crores, and the value of net indirect taxes is rupee 450 crores. Estimate the value of consumption of fixed capital for the economy from the given data. In this question, we have to estimate the value of consumption of fixed capital. In this type of question, two aggregates are given. In this question, GDP at market price and NNP at factor cost is given. Write NNP at factor cost in left hand side. You can write any one aggregate and create an equation using adjustments. Here we are taking NNP at factor cost equal GDP at market price minus depreciation to convert gross into net plus NFIA to convert domestic into national minus NIT to convert market price into factor cost. Here CFC is not given, which we have to find, and NFIA is not given directly. So first we will calculate NFIA. Net factory income from abroad is equal to factory income from abroad minus factory income to abroad, that is 0 minus 400 crores equal to minus 400 crores. Now NNP at factor cost, that is 2,500 crores is equal to GDP at market price, that is 4,000 crores minus depreciation plus NFIA, that is minus 400 crores minus NIT, that is 450 crores. 2,500 crores equal to 3,150 crores minus depreciation. Depreciation is equal to 3,150 crores minus 2,500 crores equal to 650 crores. Question number 10. Calculate net indirect taxes from the following data. One side items, another side rupees in crores. Gross domestic product at factor cost 3,200 crores. Net factory income from abroad minus 100 crore. Net national product at market price 3,750 crores. Consumption of fixed capital 250 crores. In this question, we have to calculate net indirect taxes. Here GDP at factor cost and NNP at market price is given. Write NNP at market price in left hand side equal to GDP at factor cost minus CFC to convert gross into net plus NFIA to convert domestic into national plus NIT to convert factor cost into market price. 3,750 crores equal 3,200 crores minus 250 crores plus minus 100 crores plus NIT. 3,750 crores equal to 2,850 crores plus NIT. NIT is equal 3,750 crores minus 2,850 crores equal to 900 crores. Question number 11. Calculate net factory income from abroad from the following data. One side items and another side rupees in crores. NDP at market price 75,000 crores. GNP at factor cost 71,200 crores. Depreciation 5,100 crores. Subsidies 1,900 crores. Indirect tax 10,500 crores. In this question, we have to calculate net factory income from abroad. NDP at market price and GNP at factor cost are given. NDP at market price is equal GNP at factor cost minus depreciation to convert gross into net minus NFIA to convert national into domestic plus NIT to convert factor cost into market price. Here NIT is not given directly. So first we calculate NIT. Net indirect taxes is equal to indirect taxes minus subsidies, that is 10,500 crores minus 1,900 crores equal 8,600 crores. Now NDP at market price, that is 75,000 crores equal to GNP at factor cost, that is 71,200 crores minus depreciation, that is 5,100 crores. minus NFIA plus NIT, that is 8,600 crores. 75,000 crores equals 79,800 crores minus 5,100 crores minus NFIA. 75,000 crores equals 74,700 crores minus NFIA. NFIA is equal 74,700 crores minus 75,000 crores equal minus 300 crores. Question number 12. If real GDP is rupee 200 and price index is 110, calculate nominal GDP. In this question, we have to calculate nominal GDP. We will use the formula of real GDP. Real GDP is equal nominal GDP divided by price index into 100. 200 is equal nominal GDP divided by 110 into 100. Nominal GDP is equal 200 into 110 divided by 100 equal to 220. Question number 13. If the nominal GDP is rupee 1,200 and price index is 120, calculate real GDP. In this question, we have to calculate real GDP. Real GDP is equal nominal GDP divided by price index number into 100. That is 1,200 divided by 120 into 100 equal to rupee 1,000. Last question. The value of nominal GNP of an economy in a particular year is rupee 4,000 crores, while calculating GNP for the same year at constant price becomes rupee 3,500 crores. Calculate the value of GNP deflator. In this question, we have to find GNP deflator. GNP deflator is equal to nominal GDP divided by real GDP into 100. That is 4,000 crores divided by 3,500 crores into 100 equal to 114.3. That's all. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you.